your full good party radio station. Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Everybody do what you do. Your smile will bring a sunshiny day. Everybody do what you do. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Yes, everybody.
Do what you do.
Just keep doing what you're doing. I wish you had me Mamunyina Akwaaba. Akwaaba more temper. Ediba baby, I was Samre. Minim Juma Okoye. And I minim Samre. Baby, I want them. Bami Jamie says Samre or Duma Kumanya Kupon, Abrasamadu Katari Rebema Pambo Yameno. At the end of the day, I don't know me, you know. And you see at Tiasi, yeah, when it does so, see at Tiasi. Ye wo jedi se samre ewurade beto ni supano egumenu mienu ya brabo so ene ye nnwuma so enti taxi driver trotro driver ankronkro samre mu tie ye samre binim baby a wo hye e high Okoman 97.1 radio transmitting live from Akwaaba Akwaaba. Very much Hini Memorial House Amanfo Akwaaba Akwaaba opposite the Parliament Sport Ekufu Road Nesope Wonsa Ebeka yen. You're from Nana Kwame Mpere. Ubetimi from the finest and meme in our catcher in a man. I said Abrani pa and Komami able producers Abribia Romobo Mechidom. Na Mede Jumedi Ebro Nakai from 3 to 6. Remember when you had Jambrosu radio so near Sasawote and Sem Kwan Sem de and Assembly Mede Besomo. Mamina Victor or Hinida Kulisto all I say. Or yemi producer Mapa. Now me fast that I can say and from DJ Donzi. Me official DJ the Majumedi. If a DJ Ziggy B in charge of social media and if a chief technician I will feed you more or also producing me technically. As they do ho Okoman sports team no. It's an say get the sports updating so baby though. I will media so. And what you know? I said I can see Okoman marketing team say monso mo ton media. Baby I'll be Fabia. Pa kwesi AJ. Me executive producer. I onunyan for Kofi Ansoba for. Na ebushia catch obi no bi nso catch obi say ampa ene dey oni unu ho da so de ni radio na to Okoman 97.1 radio 80 the safest drive. It is very entertaining, educative, exciting, and I know my 3 hours on radio it's going to be something else to talk about. But I was sure so we do radio na to Akwaaba.
Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba. On la rive. Welcome. Wezolo Akwaaba Bon Arrive
Okoman Akwaaba Okoman Radio 97.1. Akwaaba my Doro Okoman Radio. Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Now